year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning our main living area and finally decorating for Christmas. I feel like I'm the last person to be doing this, but it's just how it worked out this year. I ended up decorating for winter. If you saw my other clean and decorate with me videos, then you guys already know that, but we are going to be putting the tree up today. And I'm just going to be putting like pops of red and just different things. I'm really excited to share kind of like my idea for Christmas this year, but without further ado, let's get into it. So today I'm not doing any super deep cleaning. I am just kind of tidying everything up and then doing a little bit of a surface clean. And I really wanted to start in my living room today just because I knew that it wouldn't be taking me a whole ton of time. And so I started out by just clearing everything off the ground, cleaning up the pillows and the blankets. And then I also went through and just vacuumed my couch really quickly and also my pillows. I also wanted to let you guys know that there will be a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned. I'm going to be talking about the details of that a little bit later on, and I will also have all of the details written out in the description box.
Hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
If you saw my holiday decor haul, then you might remember me talking about this really special decor piece that we had growing up, and it was just something that kind of signified Christmas was starting, and I actually found it on eBay recently, and this is what I was talking about. So I was so excited to get this in my house and just kind of start sharing this with my kids.
Oh, yeah.
Moving into the kitchen, I just needed to wipe everything down. This was not really messy. It was actually a whole lot worse earlier in the morning, but Luke was being so sweet this day. He had come in earlier without me even knowing and kind of tidied up the kitchen. He had actually done all of the dishes, either hand washed them if they needed to or put them in the dishwasher. I was just so blown away when he did this, and it made me so thankful that he is just such a sweet kid.
Merry Christmas Day. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah.
I am always so amazed at how well the e-cloths work. I am just using the general purpose cloth and then the glass and polishing cloth to actually dry it and shine it. And if you have not already tried them out, they are actually having a really good Cyber Monday sale today. And if you end up missing that, I do have a coupon code down in the description box, so you can always check that out as well.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you gotta be that.
Once everything was nice and tidy, I just brought out the few extra pieces that I'm going to be adding into our decor for Christmas. Like I said, I was mostly decorating for winter this year, but I did want to add in those pops of red just to kind of create that magic feeling of Christmas for the boys. I do feel like I'm pretty behind this year, so let me know if you have already decorated or if you have not, when you are decorating. And also, if you end up decorating with me, I would love if you guys tag me on Instagram so that I can see how you decorated this year. You guys know I love those before and afters, or just seeing your different decor styles. It's always so fun to see.
No Ebenezer, don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time
I will be sharing a home tour this coming Monday, so then I can let you know where every single thing is from. But I did want to get your guys' opinions. Let me know if you guys like the home tours where Kyle will follow me around and basically then I'm able to talk to the camera and show you guys where everything is at, or if you just like when I hold the camera and just show you guys things myself. Either way is totally fine, but I'm just curious if you guys have a preference or what you guys would like to see for my Christmas home tour.
Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one can.
One quick little trick is if you are seeing that your stockings are looking a little droopy and sad, you can either take some tissue paper, or if you don't have that on hand, I'm sure you have some plastic bags from grocery stores that you can shove into your stocking temporarily, and it will make them look full and nice until Christmas morning.
I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
And I like when it is Christmas, when it's like this.
You do like this?
Let me do this.
Nope, don't take them off.
And what are these?
Those are Santa stockings.
Are they Santa socks?
Yeah, they're Santa socks.
What is this like that?
That's just another Santa bell.
Another white bell.
Yeah.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh.
So this is the first year that I've ever decorated with ribbon, so if you are seeing that I'm doing it wrong, you're probably right. I kind of didn't really know what I was doing. I've watched some different videos and tutorials on it. I've seen that you can do it a few different ways, like using the entire long ribbon, or this year I just found that this was a lot easier to cut them into shorter strands and kind of work with them that way. I really loved that that gave me the option to kind of move them around throughout the tree, and they were just a lot easier to work with, and I ended up loving how it turned out.
So I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So I wanted to share this real life moment with you guys and just show you that what you see on a camera or on an Instagram feed or a YouTube video and you see a lot of perfection, just know that you are not seeing the whole thing. Know that there is so much more that you don't see when you're far back. And of course I'm talking about the dirt in this instance, but this is absolutely a great metaphor because you just really don't see the whole picture. So I just want to share another reminder to you guys, when you are seeing these perfect homes and these perfect lives and everything just looks overly amazing, know that you are looking at someone's highlight reel. You are not looking at their actual real life, and honestly anyone's real life will not live up to their highlight reel. So don't ever be hard on yourself feeling like you are imperfect watching all these perfect people, because honestly we are all so much more alike than we realize, and you just need to keep that in mind. Of course I like to share my videos to inspire you guys, but I always like to throw in a lot of like real life moments just so you guys see the realness and just so you can see that things aren't as perfect as they seem, and that way you can just feel comfort in knowing that we are all the same and we are all in this together.
Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. And I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Whoa! Oh, we got the star. It actually is
Love you, Daddy.
Love you too.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion.
So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me today and just decorating the rest of our home for Christmas. Like I said, I will be having a home tour next week, and I am so excited to share that with you guys. And I also wanted to let you guys know about the giveaway that I had mentioned earlier. So I wanted to offer y'all a chance to win a $100 gift card. You can choose where you want it to be to. It can be Amazon, Walmart, Target, just wherever you would like. And I'm going to keep it extremely simple to enter. I will have all the information on how to enter down in the description box, but basically you just have to be subscribed to my channel because this is a subscriber giveaway, and also have your notification bell on and turn it to all so that you get all the notifications. And then you can just go down in the comments and comment and let me know where you would like your gift card to, and if you want, you can let me know what you would use it on. And then if you would like an additional entry, you can go over to my new vlog channel. I will leave it linked down in the description box and then also in the pinned comment. And then if you subscribe to that channel and then turn your notifications on to that channel as well, and then just comment on my most recent video over there, #thiscrazylife, that will give you a second entry to win. So good luck to you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. It always means so much to me. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.